Layla, you're gonna go from here
Thailand? Nice.
to there.
Go ahead and pick one. Huh? Yeah, you can wear yours.
Okay, so Layla, can I help you?
There you go.
1, 2, 3, go!
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to
the farm.
It's called Fall Farm Day. So they have animals and pumpkins.
And there's some corn. There's a corn pit.
A corn pit. They have a zip line.
That I am not gonna go on.
And like little train rides and fun stuff like that. It's fun. There's bouncy house too, huh? Mm-hmm. So we're getting ready for that.
We're waiting for my Nana.
And we're gonna head out. Okay, we are on our way.
Yeah!
Layla's been dying to go.
Fall Farm Day!
I'm really excited. It's usually super fun and always extremely hot. Also, I burnt my face and it hurts really bad. How excited are you?
Super excited!
Wayne is excited too.
Okay, we've parked and all these cars are insane. It goes like forever. Oh, they're adorable.
Alright, let's find the piggies.
What is that, buddy? Be so gentle.
Here, baby. Oh, so soft. Yeah, just like that. Oh, good job, baby. You wanna go see the horses?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi, girl.
Hi.
Look at the horses. Look at them.
That's Daddy's cow noise. Can you make a cow noise? Good job. Looks like Layla just did what's called a turkey drive. I thought it was like where you go collect turkeys for like Thanksgiving, you know, like a food drive. It's not. It's definitely where you go and like drive turkeys like cattle. Drive him, Layla. Go get him. Layla, come get this one. Come get this one back in there. Good job, Layla. Oh, he's trying to get out. Go get him. Go get him. Yay! Good job, Layla. She did a good job, though. She found her own or found one that she was able to do with Nana, and they got him in the cage, huh, buddy? Peekaboo! Hi, buddy. Hey, Daddy! What's up, buddy? Let's go, Layla! Yee-hoo!
Hey, give me thumbs up. You did it!
Lane, what do you think of this madhouse? There's a lot going on, huh? Yeah, nice open spot right there. Go get him. Yeehaw! Layla, you've been waiting for this all day, huh? slack. This is called a slack line. You slack lining? Okay, see if you can take a few steps. Or you're shuffling, huh? You are king of the hay bale, queen of the hay bales. 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah, nice. You're gonna go from here
Thailand. Nice
to there.
meet you, man.
And this is your, okay.
All right, go ahead and pick one. Yeah, you can wear yours.
Okay, so Leia, can I help you?
There you go.
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh,
Oh,
it's hard, huh?
Okay, round 2.
There you go.
I didn't see it. Maybe I caught it. All right, Mommy's
All right,
turn.
Moms.
By myself.
Well, that's also tricky. You
Go farther back, babe.
Further back.
That's perfect right there. Don't move.
This time I'll do a red one. After you, Daddy.
Did you hit the thing?
Daddy's turn. Take a foot. Oh, you still hit it.
Layla, are you excited? Are we gonna make it all the way to the bottom? Yeah? Nice! We made it! High five. Did you get stuff in your eyes?
I just have to hop. Going into another bouncy house. Hi, baby. Okay, so we're leaving Fall Farm Day. Super hot. We're ready to go home and relax in the AC. Okay, we're home. We had a lot of fun, but we're really tired and hungry and exhausted. We're gonna end our vlog here, huh?
Like and subscribe if you liked and want to subscribe. No pressure, but we'd love to have you.
And I want to show you something, guys. Stick your hand, stick to the camera.
Oh, thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye!